Hi guys! Today we will easily change white into any color, including black, in Photoshop. We open photo. For example, this girl in white dress. First of all, we need this dress as a separate layer to colorize it. Use Ctrl J to create copy of the main layer. Quick Selection tool to select only dress. Some small corrections to make selection more accurate. And go to Layer menu, Layer Mask, Reveal Selection. Finally, we will have the layer with only dress. Next step, coloring to any light color. Create solid color layer. Choose light color. For example, this yellow. And link it by Alt key to our dress layer. Choose blending mode Multiply. Looks interesting, but too flat. Now we will add dimension and depth to make the object look natural and realistic. Then go to our dress layer, double-click on it and open a Layer Style window. Go to Underlying Layer Sliders and move White marker to the left, keeping Alt key. We got some realistic lights on fabric. Next step, creating a new curve layer and link it to the previous layers by Alt key. Adjust contrast to make lights lighter and shadows deeper. Select all three new layers and use Ctrl G to create group. We will call it light color. Our next goal, changing white into black. We will use our previous work. Make copy of our group by Ctrl J and call it black. And make light color group invisible. Black objects don't look totally black in real life. Then we change color of our solid color layer to dark gray. Correct lights for more realistic result. And the same with curves. And we have perfect shiny black dress. Next goal, dark colors. We will repeat some steps, creating copy of our black group and calling it dark color. Don't forget to make black group invisible. Choose solid color layer and create other one. Change color to dark blue. and choose Color Blending mode. Correct curves for more realistic result. Done. Check result. Finally, we have groups that make our white dress colorful or black. You can use this technique not only for dresses, but for any object at your photos. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.